Hi guys, I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to share with you this cute, easy do-it-yourself nail design. And first of all, I'm going to clean my nails with one of my favorite nail polish removers. This one is by Essence. It is super affordable and it just works wonders. And if you're curious to know what polish I have on my nails, it's a duochrome one by Catrice. And then it is time for base coat, and I'm using one by Essence. This is also one of my favorites. It dries really quickly and a little bit goes a very long way. And you just want to apply that sparingly to all the nails, or just apply as much as you'd like to. At least apply a decent amount so your nails won't get stained or damaged because of the nail polish. And then I'm taking a white nail polish by Catrice, and this is number 15 Milky Bay. This is one of my favorite, like one of my go-to white opaque nail polishes, because I only need one thick layer or two thin layers to make it completely opaque. And I'm applying this to the pointer finger and the pinky. Then I took one of my Sinful Colors polishes, and I have a ton of Sinful Colors, but I don't use them that often. And this one is called Easy Going, and I'm going to apply this one to the ring finger. I do have to say that this polish does need a couple of layers, so in total I added 2 layers to start with, and when I continue with this nail art you'll see I will be adding a 3rd layer to make it perfectly opaque. And then another Sinful Color polish, and this one is Pink Forever. It is a somewhat more brighter pink, kind of Barbie-like, and I'm applying 2 layers of that in total to the middle finger and also to the thumbnail. As you can see, my thumbnail is still a bit shorter than the other nails, but I'm trying to let that one grow out more because I had a little tear in it. Some of you guys might have heard or seen it in the previous videos. I had a huge tip of about a centimeter or like 2 centimeters, and I had a little tear at like the smile line, like the start of the tip, so I really had to take it off like completely. So it was really heartbroken, but you know, shit happens. Then I took one of my model's own flaky polishes, and this one is so pretty, and it's called Pink Paradise. I don't know if this collection is still available, but any flaky polish will do just fine. Just pick one you like most. And I'm applying this to the pinky and also to the thumb. And with flaky polishes like these, like this one has kind of like a pinky clear base, and the flakes were a little bit hard to apply because the polish was so like liquid-like, really thin. So just apply as much as you'd like. Then for the pinky and then thumb, I'm also going to apply some of those pink rhinestones. I already showed you those in my previous video, like the AliExpress nail art haul, and I'm just going to apply a bigger one to the center, close to the cuticle area, and I'm just going to finish that off with 2 smaller rhinestones on each side. And I'm just sticking these into the still wet nail polish, so you don't need any extra nail glue or anything. So this actually works pretty well. It sometimes even takes me longer to get the rhinestones off when I apply them like this compared to when I apply them with like a nail glue. And nail glues sometimes can damage your nails when you want to take it off. So I would really suggest or recommend to just use nail polish to glue down your rhinestones. And here you see me polishing my thumb with the same flaky polish. And I'm also applying a bigger rhinestone to the center and just 2 smaller ones aside of that. And to pick those rhinestones up, I'm actually using a wax pencil, but you could use a dotting tool or anything you'd like. And just press them down like gently. You don't want to mess up the polish underneath too much, but since we're working with wet polish, you can actually just move them around a little bit. Then I'm also going to apply on the ring finger a lot of like cute little heart like embellishments, like little heart glitter. It's not really shiny and glittery, but I think they just look really cute with this design. And I'm just going to randomly apply the hearts in different areas, so I won't fill up the nail like completely. You will be like able to see the base color underneath, and just take your time with this, because just apply a little bit of top coat or just a little bit of the same base color and just press in the little hearts wherever you want them to be. I just really wanted to cover like the entire nail like sparingly, so you could still see a little bit of the base. I think it gives a really cute effect. And as you can see, you can actually still like move them around a little bit if it's necessary. Just be careful, don't apply too much pressure, because otherwise you will mess up the base layer. Then it is time for some extra glitter. So I took these silver holographic sparkle glitter embellishments, and I am going to apply these to the pointer finger on top of the wet white nail polish. So I'm just applying a little bit more of that white polish first, and then just pressing these sparkly ones in. And the same goes for these sparkly like glittery embellishments, just like the hard ones. Just apply as much or as little as you like. I also have these glitters in like multicolors, so you could actually take all pink colored sparkly glitters from that one, but I didn't want to make it all extremely pink because most of the nails already were pretty pink, if you know what I mean. So I just wanted to add these silver holographic ones. And all of the glitters and rhinestones I'm using in this video, you can actually look at those and check out the link in my previous video, the AliExpress nail art haul, because these are all new. So I got them all from AliExpress. They're really affordable, and as well as the little heart rhinestone glittery thingy I'm going to add to the middle finger. So this one was a pack of 10, and I just put it in this little pill box because it was way more handy that way. And I'm going to apply that with a little bit of nail glue, and this one is from Born Pretty and it works super well. It has a little brush, you can apply it really precisely. And that's just what we're going to do today. So I just added a little bit of the glue to the middle part of the middle finger, and I just used my white wax pencil to pick up the embellishment and just press it down firmly just where I wanted it to be. And this was already like almost the entire tutorial. We are going to finish this off with a good amount of top coat, and I'm just using one by Catrice. It's a 2-in-1 base and top coat, but I actually like it more as just a top coat because it gives the most beautiful shine. It actually is called the gel-like nail base and top coat, so it really gives a gel-like shine to all of your nails. And I'm applying that around the rhinestones and on top of all of the glitters and little hearts. So just add a good amount of top coat to the nails, especially with the ton of like glitter embellishments on them, because when the top coat is almost dry, you want to take a little dotting tool and just press down the sides of the little hearts and like the sides of all the little sparkly glitters, because they sometimes want to like stick up a little bit, especially when you have super curved nails like I do. If you have a super strong C curve, you really want to press them down a little bit more. And as you can see here, I'm applying top coat around the heart rhinestone as well, and that actually makes sure it stays put for a very long time. And that was actually the entire tutorial. As you can see, it is super easy to do. I would really recommend you make this as well, especially when you're a beginner at nail art. It's really fun, it's really cute. I want to wish you all a very happy Valentine's Day on forehand, and lots of love this upcoming year. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.